Did you know that a single sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. When you sneeze, tiny droplets of mucus and saliva are expelled from your nose and mouth, capable of launching up to 30 feet away. This means each sneeze can spread viruses and bacteria, which is why covering your nose and mouth is so important. In fact, scientific studies suggest that sneezing can project thousands of droplets into the air. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember it's not just a simple reaction. It's a mini explosion that could travel to your friends, coworkers, or family. Stay safe and sneeze responsibly.